Frontline News, I'm Sashali Hamilton. It's now time for Frontline Business. Pancham Investment is seeking approval from its board of directors to launch an additional public offer. The company has advised the Jamaica Stock Exchange that its directors will convene a special meeting on March 3 to consider that proposal among other options. The other proposals include an increase in the authorized share capital and a stock split. These options, if recommended by the board, will be put to the shareholders for approval at an extraordinary general meeting. The Jamaica Special Economic Zone Authority is reporting that there are 131 entities operating in special economic zones with a total investment of more than $1 billion. The authority says since legislation was passed in 2016, more than 106 entities have transitioned from free zones to special economic zones. Chairman of Supreme Ventures Gary Peart has shed light on the dip in the company's share value since the start of the year. It has declined by about 7%. Mr. Peart says one cause is shareholders making changes to their portfolios.
What has happened to the Supreme stock is no different than what has happened to stocks right across the market. And one of the things that we've seen is that there are a lot of investors nowadays that every time you announce a new IPO, they sell existing shares to position for the new IPO. And as you'd have realized over the last couple of months, there have been several IPOs, and there's a very large IPO in the market right now. And that we've seen even some of the most liquid blue chip stocks. One of the things that investors will start to find out is that sometimes some of those same shares that you're selling might actually offer more value than the shares that you're trying to get into.
In Tuesday's trading session, the JSE Combined Index declined by 4,351 points to close at under 500,000 units. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 73 stocks, of which 26 advanced, 35 declined, and 12 traded firm. The junior market index declined by 5 points to close at just under 3,000 units. Stocks advanced for 1834 Investments, Caribbean Cement Company, Caribbean Producers, Derrimon Trading, and Epley Caribbean Property Fund. Stocks declined for 138 Student Living, Barita Investments, Blue Power Group, CSE 2000 9.5%, and Cargo Handlers. Trading firm were 138 Student Living Variable Preference, AMG Packaging and Paper, Caveras, Siboney Group, and Mailpack. Wigton Wind Farm Limited ordinary shares was the volume leader with 13 million units, followed by Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial with 5.1 million units and JMMB Group Limited with 4 million units. Now for the foreign exchange. Oil futures fell toward their lowest levels in 2 weeks on Tuesday, a day after worries about the spread of COVID-19 outside China sent crude tumbling. Brent crude futures fell 43 cents to $55.87 a barrel. West Texas Intermediate WTI crude futures dropped by 39 cents to $55.87 a barrel. And that's it for Frontline Business. I'm Sashali Hamilton. Pleasant viewing.